I've been trying to find the formula for the perfect paper craft. If I succeed, I could win a Nobel Prize and do a special Nobel victory dance. Ouch! I guess to perform the dance, you must already have that prize.
Or poor thing. But it's actually a good idea. Come on, I'll be your assistant if you want.
Really? Oh, Susie? Huh? Is there something stuck to me? Ouch!
What is this? A picture? Looks so cute. I really like it.
Oh, that's my try number 50. I couldn't figure out what to do with it, though.
Then let's just go with the flow and see where it takes us.
I also have this.
Oh, cool. Let's see. I think we can try to put them together, like this.
Uh-huh. Another brilliant idea. I'm so smart. This looks yummy.
Wait, let's switch. I think real cookies would taste better for you, and we will make a pack of paper ones.
I appreciate that switching, Sue. And here's a little something from me for the craft.
Sammy, this looks awesome. This piece looks like it can perfectly fit in here.
And here's another one. Hold that thing. Uh-huh.
So, what do you think it's going to be, Sammy?
I'm not sure. Do you have any ideas?
Well, it does resemble something from our bathroom.
Oh, yeah, a toothpaste dispenser.
Oh, you're right. Let's just work it up a little bit. Here we go.
Here, I've got a tube of toothpaste. Let's insert it in our craft and check if it works right.
Let's do this.
Why isn't this toothbrush brushing?
Well, that's because it isn't a brush just yet, but I'm working on it.
Could you please hurry up? I can't wait to test this thing. Ah, thank you so much. Now you can test it.
There, you, go. See, it's working.
Whoa, this is awesome, but I need more toothpaste. Huh? What's that? A slime? Marvelous! Write it down, Sue. We'll use this slime for our next craft.
That I can do. But what the next craft will be?
It's gotta be around here somewhere. I'm pretty sure about it. Ah, here it is. Tell me, Susan, do you love Jell-O as much as I do?
I love it if it's unusual, experimental, so to speak. And here's our new experiment. In a bit, you will see what it's gonna be. Oh, thanks, Sammy. Good thinking. The size is just perfect. Are you okay, by the way? You look a little distracted.
I'm fine. I'm just concentrated, because this needs to be glued. Potential Nobel Prize winner is in danger. Help!
I got you, Drama Queen. I think this piece should be glued right here. And this one goes here. Looks good to me, and the process is so satisfying. Now, here goes the slime. And the backside. Uh-huh.
Okay, I've got the cap. Easy. Easy. Phew.
Hey, I wanted to squeeze it. That's the best part. It's such a good feeling. Ha!
Wait! This is it! That's the first part of the formula of the perfect craft. Squishability. Let's make more squishable crafts, more slimes.
Easy, easy, Sammy. Let me write that down. For the next craft, let's use my design if you don't mind.
Well, then I'll be in charge of coloring. This feels nice. I have a perfect taste. It will be ready in no time, Susie.
Sammy, you're making a mess. Why can't you be more careful? Look at that. Luckily, I know how to fix it. turned out just right. Good job, Sam.
Even my accidents bring success.
Here's the last touch. And this craft is done too. Now here's my favorite slime. Sammy, can you bring me a baggie, please?
Is there something on my head? What's going on? Why do I sound so strange? Sue? Ow!
Oh, Sammy. You're acting really weird today. Anyway, thanks for the baggie. Now watch closely. It is important to glue all the pieces together properly. And we shouldn't forget the backside, of course. Here we go. Well, what do you say, Sammy?
I think we can use something else in our craft. Like a phoenix feather. Or like a mermaid's tail. Sounds perfectly magical, huh?
Yeah.
No, we need something else. Well, of course! That's genius! No one has ever done that before.
Maybe we could use a balloon? Sammy, what happened there?
Sorry, I guess I got carried away. Let's just move on with the crafts, shall we? Oh, it's terrible. We're out of ice cream. I mean, totally, completely. Do you hear me?
Yum! Oops! You didn't see anything, friends, okay?
Do you need this, Susie? No. Catch me first.
Hey! Sam, give me that.
Nope.
Oh, I don't have time for that. Phew. Let's proceed. Now let's add a sticker. And where's the balloon?
Step aside, Sue. This is a job for a real pro. Sue, I give up. Help me, please.
Well, of course. Now let's stuff up our ice cream cone. And finally, add our yellow balloon. There we go. Also, if you want, you can draw a cute face like this, using a marker.
Sue, it looks great, but I made something too. Check it out.
Wow, Sammy, that's cute. Here we go. Oh, it's so squishy and cool. I love it.
Oh, my poor belly. I need some food.
If you're hungry, I can share some candy with you.
Great timing. Give them to me, Sue. Oh, is that a cookie? That's better. And it gave me an idea for the craft.
I know exactly what you're thinking, Sammy. Let's do this.
Just remember to glue everything properly, okay?
Sure. Well, I think I did it. Did you have time to do the rest?
Of course! We will make boxes with special surprises in them. How does it sound?
Sounds great, but, what are the surprises? I don't see anything here.
My favorite candy, of course! Come on, Sue. Pack them all up.
Your wish is my command, Mr. Sweet Tooth.
Did you say a sweet tooth? Oh, that would be a dream come true. Yum, yum. Look at these beautiful covers I made. Do you think I could get a Nobel Prize for a craft like this?
I don't think so. But it looks really nice. I'm sure you'll get lots of thumbs ups from our viewers. Oh, I really like how it came out. So pretty and surprising.
Sue, I want to test it. Let's open up one little surprise, shall we?
Ooh, that's right. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a cherry. Sammy, I know you like them.
Yum, yum. It's good, but I want watermelon.
Watermelon? Like grow it or something?
No, we're doing paper crafts, remember? Take this.
Yes, boss. Let's do some drawing.
Can you believe it? It looks like I'll never do the Nobel dance.
Hold those tears back. Better check this out.
Oh, hi, Mr. Watermelon. I have some work for you. Please, wait here.
Hello there. My name is Sue. Nice to meet you.
Sue, are you okay?
I'm fine. And what are you hiding there, Sammy?
Here, it's some cool squishy thing that I think you can use for the craft.
Now, it goes right here.
Sue, I made something too. This is for our watermelon. Does it fit?
Perfectly. Let's just add a little decoration. Oh, that's so cute! A little green leaf. And it's done.
It's so funny, so bouncy. Sue, you have to try it too.
Whoa, you're right.
I finally got it. The perfect ingredient for any craft is to have fun.
Yes, Sam, we finally found it. Now let me write down the whole formula.
What's happening?
Congratulations, colleague. You've really found something none of us could find.
Congratulations, Sammy, we did it. The Nobel Prize for Crafts is yours. Let's celebrate.
Thank you. I'm touched and honored. With your permission, I'd like to do the Nobel dance.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, friends. We love you. Bye-bye.